This perspective on understanding task difficulty will change the way you teach and support others, and probably even yourself. Hi, I'm Dr. Megan, and I empower people to embrace a neurodiversity affirming mindset. One of the things you'll see discussed often in education, behavior analysis, and other intervention-based fields is task difficulty. Making sure we're meeting a student where they are and that we're not presenting them with tasks that are too difficult. However, people often make those judgments based on their own perception of a task instead of taking the perspective of the person they're teaching. For example, I might see a stack of 5 worksheets and think, oh my goodness, that is going to be way too much for my client or student to complete. However, if my client or my student has a preference for worksheets and excels at material that has visuals incorporated, which worksheets typically do, then that task is probably not very difficult for them. Conversely, I might have one question I want to ask that has no visuals involved and requires a very strong attention to detail in terms of auditory processing with a lot of discriminations involved. It might be a question that seems simple, such as, where do you sleep? But for my client, if there's no visuals and they have to listen to the full question and not just listen to the word sleep or the word where, that question in and of itself might be more difficult. There's so many other examples of this I could give based on what I've seen in practice. I'm curious what yours are below. What are some things that you thought might be difficult, but your clients preferred and found very easy, and vice versa? And remember, when you're deciding how to do your programming or teaching, that you're really taking the perspective of your client, looking at their strengths and their preferences, and identifying the potential for task difficulty based off of this.